The Thomas Young Centre is an alliance of research groups in London working together on the theory and simulation of materials.
Thomas Young, the name came from this famous physician, polymath, linguist, the last man who knew everything, he's been called, contemporary of Beethoven, but something of a strange character, a genius, who dabbled in all sorts of things. I mean, he dabbled in optics, he dabbled in material science, the Young-Dupré equation, Young slits, the physicist's aspect of him, and biology, the things he did with his own eye. And this is a figure who encapsulates multidisciplinary kind of thinking.
We can do all sorts of things in different fields of materials modeling, so that altogether this is really something precious to offer, for which you need well, a big city like London. So this has become macroscopic on the national scene, just quite simply because we can have 100 people, as many as 100 in our mail list, and all of them are active and do computational materials modeling research in London. So we can see actually each other by 20 minutes taxi or walk or tube, and that is a privilege, first of all. Once you realize that, it's immediate. You've got a super group which makes every single institution stronger. So we did it.
It's very important to the Thomas Young Centre to reach out to industry, and it's particularly important to us to try and build long-term relations. We're doing this in a number of different areas, using materials theory and simulation to try and improve the materials used in the chips that are used in computers. Another example one could easily take is biological problems. So many problems in biology and indeed in medicine boil down to problems of materials. So you've only got to think about things like hip replacement. And we have groups in the Thomas Young Centre who are working on the problems of inorganic materials like metals interacting with things like bones and teeth. This again is really a materials problem, but it has a very large impact on health and on the lives of people.
In the future, I'd like to see the TYC doing more of the things it does, of course, getting people together more, but to actually have more the feeling of this is where theory and simulation happens, not just in London, but also in the world.